All right. If you're even a little bit into tech, you've definitely heard this term being thrown around, right? AI agents. It's the new buzzword on the block. But what are they really? Are they just, a glorified assistant? Or are we looking at something way, way bigger? Let's break it down.
Exactly. It feels like it's said so often that it just starts to become meaningless noise. But I promise you, behind all that hype, there is a seriously powerful idea, one that's already shaping our future, and it's absolutely worth understanding.
Okay, so let's cut right through the hype. When someone says AI agent, what are they actually talking about? Let's get to a simple, clear definition. Here it is, and the magic word here is autonomous. See, an AI agent isn't just a tool that follows a command you give it. Nope, it's a system that can operate on its own without needing you to hold its hand and micromanage every single step. That independence is the real game changer.
So, how does it pull off that independence? Well, it really boils down to these three core abilities. First, it thinks for itself and plans a course of action. Second, it understands its digital surroundings to get context. And finally, it acts on its own to reach a goal. The best analogy is a self-driving car, right? It plans a route, it sees the other cars on the road, and then it actually drives itself. Think, understand, and act.
So that's the theory. That's how it's supposed to work. But what does this actually look like in practice? Let's check out some real-world examples of AI agents that are already up and running today. A great example to look at is a tool called NAN. Think of it as a platform built specifically so you can create your own AI agents. Agents designed to handle all of those tedious, repetitive tasks that just seem to fill up our workdays.
For instance, imagine you're running a marketing agency. You could task an agent to dive into your CRM, your customer database, and automatically send out personalized emails to specific groups. No more manual exports or wrestling with mail merges. The agent just handles the whole thing. Or think about customer service. You can build an agent that acts like a super intelligent chatbot right on WhatsApp. It can understand what customers are asking and give helpful answers 24/7. And that frees up the human team to go tackle the really tricky problems.
And hey, it's not just for work. An agent could order your dinner from a local restaurant, managing the entire process, from picking the place to paying the bill, all without you lifting a finger. So it's pretty clear these agents are powerful assistants. They can handle everything from our marketing campaigns to ordering our pizza. They make our lives easier. But as they get smarter and smarter, it raises a bigger question. Will they always be our assistants? Right now, we see AI as a tool that helps us with our work. But what about tomorrow? The fear, or maybe the promise, depending on how you look at it, is that they won't just do the work for us. They'll start doing it better than us. And this really gets to the heart of that big question. We see them as assistants. But if an agent can manage a company's finances or run a marketing campaign more efficiently and with better results than a human can, well, doesn't the relationship flip? The provocative idea here is that AI agents could go from being our assistants to being our new bosses. And that's the wild idea we're left with. Are these agents just the next step in helpful tools, kind of like a better calculator? Or are we building something that will fundamentally change our role in the workplace? A future where we might actually work for the very systems we created? It's a huge thought to chew on, so I'm curious. What do you think?